Do push-ups.
What else is
When you were on the floor and you're pushing yourself up with your hands, do it again. Good job, man.
Hey, Mama, that's all what he did.
So you're copying Granny's workout?
Yes.
You are? Do a push-up again. I want to see one more. Do a few of them. Don't stop, don't stop. Good job. Okay, stand up.
My arms is tired.
You were lifting weights a minute ago. Do that again. Now can you touch your toes? Say thank you, Granny, for teaching me my exercises. Say thank you, Granny.
Thank you, Granny.